Drop an ice cube into a glass of water. It floats. You've seen it 1,000 times. It's so ordinary you've probably never thought twice about it. But that one tiny thing, ice floating instead of sinking, is the reason every fish, every whale, every creature in every lake and ocean on Earth is still alive. And almost nobody knows why. To understand why, you need to look at a single water molecule. It's made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, H2O. The oxygen end carries a slight negative charge, and the hydrogen ends carry a slight positive charge. This makes water molecules act like tiny magnets, always attracted to each other. These attractions are called hydrogen bonds, and they change everything. In liquid water, molecules are packed close together, moving freely, bumping into each other constantly. But when water freezes, something unusual happens. The hydrogen bonds lock every molecule into a rigid, open hexagonal lattice, a crystal structure with gaps in it. Those gaps mean ice takes up more space than liquid water. More space means lower density. Lower density means it floats. Almost every other substance on Earth does the opposite. When metals freeze, when most liquids solidify, the solid sinks. The molecules pack tighter in solid form, making it denser. Water is the exception. It expands when it freezes. That's why pipes burst in winter. That's why glaciers crack. And that's why ice floats, because it's actually less dense than the water it came from. Now imagine the alternative. If ice were denser than water, it would sink. In winter, the surface of a lake would freeze, sink to the bottom, and the next layer would freeze and sink too. The whole lake would freeze solid from the bottom up. No liquid water left. Nothing could survive. Every winter, every lake, every ocean frozen solid. Life as we know it would not exist. Because ice floats, it forms a layer on top. And that layer acts as an insulating lid. It traps the heat of the water below, slowing further freezing. Under the ice, the water stays liquid. Fish keep swimming. Plants keep growing. Entire ecosystems survive the winter, sheltered under a ceiling of frozen water, completely unaware of the blizzard above them. The same principle works at a planetary scale. The Arctic and Antarctic are covered in floating ice sheets. They reflect sunlight back into space, helping regulate Earth's temperature. If that ice sank, the dark ocean water beneath would absorb more heat, warming the planet faster. The floating ice isn't just protecting fish. It's helping to keep Earth's climate stable. Water is full of these strange properties. It has an unusually high boiling point for its size. It can dissolve more substances than almost any other liquid. It moves through the roots of plants against gravity. Every one of these quirks comes back to those hydrogen bonds, the tiny magnetic attractions between molecules that make water unlike anything else in the universe. The next time you drop an ice cube into a drink and watch it float, remember what you're actually looking at. A molecule with a slight electrical charge. A crystal lattice with gaps in it. A quirk of chemistry so precise, so perfectly tuned, that without it, this planet would be silent. The ice floating in your glass is the same reason the oceans are full of life.